Okay, welcome back once again. In this demonstration, we're going to discuss and show you the Replay 3 module, which gives us the ability to not only do instant replay, but also control that playback speed amongst 1 to 4 inputs. So the first thing I'm going to need is a source. In this case, I'm going to use a player since I don't have a camera pointed at some soccer game or other motion for that matter. Next, I'm going to add a module. I come in here and add replay, video replay 3, the controller. Bring that over. Next, source. Now, in order to get this into the switch, we're going to also need a video effect module. Now, this applies to anybody running the StreamBreeze Mini. Anybody running StreamBreeze SD or HD, they'll use the switcher control panel to switch to the instant replay. Set this up, the effect. I'm going to set it to replay controller for 1, and also video overlay so that I can do the instant replay overlay when I switch to it. Stop that for a second. Set this to source overlay. There we go. And you need to remember on the replay source number 1 and so on through as you add them, you need to set them to a temporary folder to record to. Now you need to have at least 1 drive per 2 channels, and this is a separate drive. A drive that's not being used to record any other stream because it gets pretty intense. I'm just going to use 1 replay module. I'll set my temporary folder. And also have to set the source where it's coming from. In this case, player 1. And set this live. So once I get it set live, you see these. It starts actually recording to a temporary file, and you see this by the numbers counting. And see the display comes active. You can also change the size of the display, take it up to 50%, make it a little easier to work with. If you have plenty of space on your screen, this makes it really helpful. Just depends how many modules you have open. So now I'm going to start this up. And then this video is playing. I'm going to let it play for a few seconds here. And that kick was pretty good one to use. So what I'm going to do is grab this little scrubber, and I'm going to scrub back. Just a little bit here. And the further you move this controller to the left, the faster it goes backwards. And further to the right, faster it goes forwards. I'll mark my in, then I'm going to go forward some time, and mark my out. So now I've got a clip, and I can give that a name if I want to. And let's call it clip 1. Set my playback speed to about 50%. This is 0, this is 100, halfway about 50%. Hit play and take it live. And you can see we've got nice slow-mo with the instant replay down below this. So you can watch it. And then back to the live shot. And that's pretty much it. And you can do multiple sources, but the main thing is to keep in mind you need temporary space to handle that. you need drive space. So you could be an external USB drive. I wouldn't do more than 2 sources per drive. So you're going to have to experiment a little bit with your system to see if it can handle multiple sources. And that wraps it up for the demonstration on the Instant Replay. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact me. You can reach me at info@streambreeze.net. Thanks so much. Have a great day.